Dear students, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the company law. Continuing that, Section 2, Clause 29 defines court. Court is the High Court, which in the state in which the registered office of a company is situated. But this jurisdiction of the High Court excludes the extent to which the district court is conferred or the district court subordinate to that High Court under clause 2 has the power, which means that the High Court having the jurisdiction in the relation to the place where the registered office of a company is situated, but this jurisdiction is acceptance does not include any jurisdiction which is conferred to the district court or to a district court which is subordinate to the High Court but under subclause 2. Subclause 2 means defines about give meaning about the jurisdiction of a district court in the case when the central government by notification empowers the district court to exercise all or any of the jurisdiction which is conferred to that high court of a state in which the registered office of a company is situated. Third, subclause third, the court of a session having the jurisdiction to try any offense under this act or under any previous company law, which means that here a subordinate court, a, a court of session which is subordinate having the jurisdiction to try such an offense under the company law or under any previous company law for the time being in force under the Companies Act 2013, which empowers the court of session to exercise its jurisdiction, then that court shall also be termed into the court as defined in section 2 clause 29. And fourth, subclause fourth is the special court established under section 435. Subclause fifth, it is about any metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate of the first class having the jurisdiction to try any offense under the Companies Act 2013 or under any previous company law for the time being in force, which means any metropolitan magistrate of the first class having the jurisdiction to try the offense under the Companies Act 2013 or under any previous company law, or any judicial magistrate of the first class which is having a jurisdiction to try any offense under the Companies Act 2013 or under any previous company law. Here the court includes the High Court, which is having a jurisdiction in a state in which the registered office of a company is situated, but that High Court excludes the jurisdiction conferred upon it by the district court to the district court under subclause 2. When such clause and such subclause 2, the central government by notification empowers the district court to exercise the jurisdiction or try any offense. Third, it defines about the court of session which have the jurisdiction to try any offense under the Companies Act 2013 or under any previous company law for the time being in force. Similarly, the special court which have been established under chapter 28 special courts of the Companies Act 2013 under section 435, the central government may, for the purpose of providing speedy trial of offences punishable under the Companies Act with imprisonment of 2 years or more, shall by notification establish and designate the special courts which may be necessary. But so all the offences shall be tried by such special courts except that the metropolitan magistrate or the judicial magistrate of the first class will have the jurisdiction to try the offences under the Companies Act 2013. A special court shall consist of a single judge who shall be appointed by the central government with the concurrence of the Chief Justice of the High Court, within whose jurisdiction the judge shall be appointed